Hey there, fellow gamers and chat enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech stuff in a simple, fun way. Today, we're diving into how to log in to Discord in 2025. Whether you're a newbie or just updating your skills with the latest features, this guide will get you connected in no time. Discord has made some tweaks for better security and user experience, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Discord app installed on your device. If you don't, head to the official Discord website or your app store and download it for free. Once that's done, open the app or go to discord.com on your web browser. You'll land on the login screen, which is super straightforward. Step 1. Enter your login details. Type in your email address or username in the first field, and then your password in the second. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double-check that caps lock isn't on. If you have two-factor authentication, 2FA, enabled, which I highly recommend for security, you'll get a prompt for a code. Check your email or auth app to grab that code and enter it. Now, if you're logging in on a new device, Discord might ask for additional verification, like a CAPTCHA or email confirmation. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be good to go. Pro tip: if you forget your password, hit the Forgot Password link and follow the reset process. It usually involves an email link. Once you're logged in, you'll see your servers and direct messages ready to rock. On mobile, the process is the same, but make sure to enable notifications in your settings for the best experience. And hey, if you run into any issues like login errors, try clearing your cache or checking your internet connection. There you have it. That's how to log in to Discord in 2025. All wrapped up in under 2 minutes. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay connected and happy chatting.